Welcome back to the New Student Advising online workshop. Let's get registered. Before we get started, if you're a student with documented disabilities and would like some assistance with registration, please reach out to the Kokua program by emailing kokua@hawaii.edu. To access STAR registration, go to MyUH, click on the STAR tile, log in to your account, and make sure that you're on the GPS registration tab. Before we can register, we need to make sure of two things. One, that you've taken care of all of your active holds. You can see the hold activation date and why you have it when you click on the Holds button on the GPS registration tab. 2, check your assigned registration date and time. You should see your registration time ticket in red next to the Register Add/Drop Classes button. Everyone has a different time ticket, so make sure that you're looking at your own. We recommend making your schedule about a day before your time ticket slot. Once you're ready to build your schedule, click on the Register Add/Drop Classes button under the semester that you're trying to register for. Make sure that you've taken all of your placement exams, have finalized your class plan, and that any ACE courses you might have signed up for are showing up here. These are all topics from previous modules. Navigate to this registration screen. Double check to make sure that these are the requirements that you plan to register for. From this screen, you're able to also add a personal choice course, which you can use to add classes that are not a part of your default plan. We'll add one of these for now, and we'll walk through how to select the course later on in this video. To begin selecting courses, click on the most important requirement first. We recommend registering from most important to least important. Any favorited classes will show up at the top. If they aren't showing, it could either be because the course isn't being offered this semester or because the course is full. You can click on the Show Closed Courses switch to show any courses that are full. Remember that personal choice course we added before? Let's use it to fulfill a writing intensive requirement. If you want to search for a course that fulfills a specific requirement, you can use the filters on the left menu bar. You can filter for certain days and times of the week, by subject, course level, and more. Click around and explore your options. To find the focus requirement filters, we need to expand the filter bar by clicking on the Show More Filters link first. Now I can search for writing intensive courses and add one to my schedule. You can use the upper right-hand section to easily jump from requirement to requirement. And again, we recommend registering from most important to least important. Once you're done, review your weekly schedule in the calendar on the lower right and ensure that you have enough breaks, including time to walk from building to building or for meals. Trust me, you do not want to forget to schedule your meal times. Once your classes look good, click on the Submit button to lock in your registration. Leaving any courses pending in your registration cart does not hold them for you. This is why we recommend that you wait until the day before your time ticket to build your schedule. If a class does turn out to be full, then you may be able to join a waitlist. Waitlists are not a form of official registration and will not count towards full-time student status. So if you can register for another section of the same course, we usually recommend that you do so. If you're lucky and a waitlisted class opens up, you'll be notified via your hawaii.edu email and you'll have limited time to add it. So make sure you're checking your hawaii.edu email every day. Once you've registered, you can make your tuition payments online. Be sure to pay by the deadline or you'll be removed from all of your classes. In addition to tuition, it's also important to make sure that your health clearance paperwork has all been turned in, or, again, you could be removed from all of your classes. Now that you've built your schedule and registered, it's time to double check everything with your advisor to make sure that you're good to go. Head on over to the very last module of the online workshop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the rest of our modules and helpful content by clicking the link in the video description or by visiting our website at manoa.hawaii.edu/undergrad/newstudentadvising/online. If you have questions along the way, we're here for you. Contact new.advising@hawaii.edu.